Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a cube and a Rubik's cube. Here are the materials needed to make a cube. Firstly, you need any kind of paper. In this video I'm going to use a short bond paper, a 30 by 60 triangle, a ruler, a ball pen, a pencil, lastly, an eraser. Now that I've mentioned all the materials needed for this drawing, let's get started to the video. First step is to get your ruler and your pencil and make a horizontal line on the bond paper or any kind of paper that you are using. Be sure that your horizontal line is straight and not slanted. And the second step is to make a vertical line. Just like the horizontal line, it has to be straight and not slanted. We need these vertical and horizontal lines because this will be your guidelines in making a cube. And when you're done, get your 30 by 60 triangle and let's proceed to the third step. The longest side of the triangle is your base. So you have to align your base with the baseline or the horizontal line. You also have to do this on the other side. Just like the horizontal and vertical lines, this will be your guidelines in making a cube. Now that you've done those lines, let's proceed to the next step. Now the next step is to find the measurements of your Rubik's cube or cube. In making a Rubik's cube, it only should have the factors of 3 centimeters, like 3, 6, 9, 12, and more. In this tutorial, I'm going to use 6 centimeters. You have to do the same thing on these lines. Be sure to be very careful in making these measurements. Now that you've found your measurements, on these lines, you have to make another baseline. After you've made these baselines, let's proceed to the next step. The next step is to measure them with 6 centimeters. After making the lines on the left and the right, you have to connect them on the middle, or also known as the center line. As you can see in the video, we're about to finish our cube. Now that you've connected them to the center line, let's proceed to the next step. And the next step is to make a 6 centimeter point. After making the point, connect them. After connecting them, congratulations, you've made a cube. If you want to make a Rubik's cube, then let's proceed to the next step. These are really hard to explain, so please observe and take note of what I'm going to do. Just to remind you, when making a Rubik's Cube, it must have the factors of 3. Because if not, then it would just overcomplicate things. If you're able to follow along in this tutoring video, please don't forget to like. And when you find this tutoring video very helpful to you, then don't forget to share them to your friends and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, we're about to finish our Rubik's Cube. After making that, you're about to finish in making your Rubik's Cube. In this last step, you're going to use your ball pen and use your ruler to trace. After that, this should be the outcome of your Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching my tutoring video, and I hope this tutoring video helps you.